In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Messenger. Well, this is really easy thing. So if you're using Android, then you can just go to Play Store just like me. Or if you're using an iOS or Apple phone, then you have to go to the App Store, right? Once you are into your Apple Store, your Android store here, that is Google Play basically, on the search bar, you have to type for Messenger. So Messenger is something that is built by Facebook. So if you use Facebook and if you want to chat with someone, then you will need Messenger. Without Messenger, you can't have a conversation with your Facebook friends. Now here, as you can see here, it's already installed in my phone. So I will just uninstall and I will install it for you guys. And it's real easy. So once you're here, click on install and just wait for a few seconds till it get installed. As you can see here, my Messenger got installed. Now I can just open it up. Right, so now you can just open your Messenger and you can use, right? So you have to use your Facebook ID to log into this. So I already have my ID, so I can just log in and I can use Messenger to have a conversation with my Facebook friends. If you really found this video useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.